What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be real simple. I got some pieces in, going to be adding to the car. Last time, in the last video, you saw me install the Roush airfoil kit on the rear valance on the car here. So we're going to be doing what they call a quarter splitter, left and right side, a little before, and then I'll show you guys afterward. Alright, so I was going to do an unboxing video, but I wanted to open the package because it looked like it had been smashed a little bit and make sure everything was okay. So inside are the quarter splitters. I don't know the name of the company who makes them. I think it's a knockoff for RTR, but it's an exact replica, and I'm actually happy with the way that it looks. Actually really pleased to see it come in some protective packaging like this. It's like an ABS plastic. It matches the texture of the OEM plastic pieces on the rear. I got these for about $74, as for the RTR set was about 110, I think. So saved roughly 40 bucks, and it's going to do the same thing. And we'll see how it holds up over time. I mean, as opposed to the RTR stuff, I can't compare it directly because I don't have it, but I will be doing an update to let you guys know how they're holding up, the color, make sure they're not changing colors or just you know, getting brittle, things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and install these on the car, and then when we come back, we'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. All right, so yeah, that's going to go something like that. I need a little flathead screwdriver. There it goes. Okay, cool. So once that's out, go ahead and pop out the actual clip. By the way, you guys, there was no instructions with this, but if you can put 2 and 2 together, it's pretty simple to figure out.
That just took off a little bit.
That's good. That's what I wanted, right?
Adding piece to car, take 2. See? Over here filming for him while he's doing the work.
Alright, so just an idea of what it looks like. I don't know if it's going to transition to camera very well. It looks alright. It's like almost perfect for those other pieces I put on there the other day. Like, now the exhaust is just dividing it. Or it felt like something was missing after I did that. I was like, dude, it's like playing on the side now. Yeah. Get your stamp of approval. Alright guys, so I decided to bring the car out and kind of show you the new parts I put on. So we got the airfoil Roush pieces there on each side of the reverse light. Then I've got these off-brand. They're an exact replica of the RTR quarter splitters. And car's really dirty right now. I apologize for that. Absolutely love the way this car is turning out. It is a stunner. This car is turning out to be everything I wanted and more. I am taking my time with picking the modifications and upgrades that I am putting on the car, and it is paying off big time. In person, this car is an absolute stunner for as simple as it is. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, because I'm very happy with the way this is turning out. I hope it's transitioning on camera. The rear end, the balance area has dramatically gotten more aggressive looking and gives the car an overall lower appearance, which is the look I was going for. Not only makes the car look wider, but lower, just more aggressive, more race inspired. And the exhaust now does not look out of place hanging in the cutout on the valance there. I'm absolutely happy with the way this car is turning out. It's an absolute just blessing to be able to have a car like this. This is my passion, my hobby. If you guys haven't seen one of my earliest videos, this is my 5th Mustang, 4th Coyote, and by far the best Mustang I've ever owned, not only because it's the 10-speed with the Gen 3 Coyote, but the car just gets better and better, and eventually there's going to be a point where it's going to have to stop, but we're not even close. There's a lot more things to come to make this car my dream car. I'm not going to stop until things start getting out of hand. What I mean by that is when things just get when it starts to get like tacky and just, I'm not going to add stupid things to the car. I'm going to try and keep everything as functional as possible. I'm not going to add some crazy stuff to the car. I'm just taking my time with it, and it's turning out beautifully, and the camera just does not do it justice at all. So I can't believe how well this is turning out. It's always an awesome feeling, guys, when you expect something to turn out good and it turns out great, better than you expected. I'm working on these things slowly but surely, taking my time, picking tasteful stuff, trying to keep it functional, at the same time tasteful. So lots more things to come, and unfortunately that ties into money, and I would love to hear from you guys. Is it tasteful? I mean, that's my opinion. I think it's coming out very well, and I love everything I've done to it so far. Like I said, let me know what you guys think about it. What needs to be improved? What do you guys think of everything that's done to the car so far? And if you have questions about the car, let me know in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them. I try to get to everyone. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for this video. But thank you all for watching. And again, if you want to see more content with this car and more videos like this, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and leave comments below. I want to know what you guys think, how it's turning out. Do you like the car, the parts I've been putting on it? I'm very happy the way this car's turning out. I'm very fortunate and blessed to be able to have a vehicle like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys take care and be safe. I can't believe it. This is the American dream.